Wealth Step by Step, a simple home business opportunity for residual income success. If you're looking to make money online and secure a steady stream of income each month, the Wealth Step by Step home business opportunity might be exactly what you're seeking. Designed to be simple and straightforward, this business model allows you to work from home, build a team, and earn residual and passive income without complicated strategies or heavy investments. What is Wealth Step by Step? Wealth Step by Step is more than just another online money-making program. It's a home business opportunity that focuses on affiliate and network marketing, giving you the tools to generate income month after month. You'll be part of a system that encourages teamwork and mutual support, helping each other succeed as you grow your business. How does it work? The beauty of this opportunity lies in its simplicity. You sign up, follow easy steps, and begin promoting the program. Through affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by sharing products or services, while network marketing allows you to grow by building a team. This means that not only do you benefit from your own efforts, but you also gain from the success of those you bring into the business. Each member you introduce becomes part of your team, and as they succeed, so do you. This is where the power of residual income comes into play. Once you've built a solid foundation, you'll continue to get paid every month for the work you've already done. It's about working smarter, not harder, and setting yourself up for long-term financial freedom. Additionally, some of our members are using very easy marketing strategies like stuffing flyers into envelopes and mailing postcards as part of their direct mail efforts. This approach allows you to reach a wide audience with minimal effort, providing another simple way to grow your business and bring in new team members. Receive a $25 Fast Start bonus. One of the exciting features of the Wealth Step by Step program is the $25 Fast Start bonus. This is an extra commission that you earn each time you bring in a new member. The bonus is designed to reward your efforts quickly and keep you motivated as you build your team. It's a great way to get a financial boost as you start, giving you immediate rewards while working toward long-term income goals. Earn extra commissions without sponsoring. Anyone in the Wealth Step by Step program, sometimes people receive a monthly commission from individuals below them, even if they didn't sponsor that person directly. It's possible to get paid from people on your team who end up falling underneath your position in the compensation plan. This could mean earning an extra $3 or $7 per month without doing anything beyond signing up, maintaining your membership, and enjoying the benefits of the community and digital products. Simply by keeping your subscription active each month, you can continue to enjoy these unexpected extra earnings. Just find at least 2 new referrals each month. To make the most of the Wealth Step by Step opportunity, find at least 2 new referrals each month. This effort will earn you $50 from the Fast Start commission, effectively covering your own membership subscription each month. Remember, no sponsoring is required. No recruiting required to get paid each month. If you are ready to start making money, please get back in touch with the person who shared this video with you. Call them or send a text and ask them for their referral link. Sign up today. If you don't know what to say, or if the potential lead has a question you cannot answer, we have 3-way calls available. If you need to do a 3-way call with Michael Jensen, just let us know. Let us help you start building your own team of like-minded entrepreneurs underneath you in the pay plan. Conclusion. If you're ready to start making money online, building a team, and earning both residual and passive income, the Wealth Step by Step home business opportunity is a great place to begin. Simple, straightforward, and focused on teamwork, it provides a clear path to financial freedom while allowing you to help others along the way. And remember, whether you're using online marketing techniques or simple direct mail strategies like sending postcards or flyers, there's always a way to reach more people and grow your business. With the added benefit of earning a $25 Fast Start bonus for each new member, the possibility of receiving extra monthly commissions from people below you, even if you didn't sponsor them, and the opportunity to cover your subscription costs by finding just 2 new referrals each month, the potential for success is substantial. Let's take that step together toward wealth and success. Boosting your referrals is easy. Just share this video link and encourage people to watch it. After they've seen it, offer to answer any questions they might have. Remember to reconnect with the person who sent you this video. Michael Jensen and Bob Peterson have a range of other marketing videos available for members to use. All videos and reports are copyrighted 2024 by Michael Jensen, created by him. Simply share the link and earn your rewards. Best wishes, God bless. If you're ready to start making money online, building a team, and earning both residual and passive income, the Wealth Step-by-Step Home Business Opportunity is a great place to begin. Simple, straightforward, and focused on teamwork, it provides a clear path to financial freedom while allowing you to help others along the way. And remember, whether you're using online marketing techniques or simple direct mail strategies like sending postcards or flyers, there's always a way to reach more people and grow your business. With the added benefit of earning a $25 Fast Start bonus for each new member, the possibility of receiving extra monthly commissions from people below you, even if you didn't sponsor them, and the opportunity to cover your subscription costs by finding just 2 new referrals each month, the potential for success is substantial. Let's take that step together toward wealth and success. Earnings disclaimer: no specific income levels are guaranteed. The examples and figures provided are for illustration and entertainment purposes only, to help you understand how the program functions and compensates. Your actual earnings will depend on your individual efforts, experience, and the time you invest. Every business venture has risk involved, so we strongly recommend speaking with a professional before committing to starting any business. We are not financial advisors and are not responsible for any loss or if you do not make any money with this affiliate marketing program. Additionally, if you click on your sponsor's referral link and purchase the product, your sponsor will earn a small commission. Always exercise due diligence and make decisions based on your own best judgment.